In this video, we'll introduce you to Sparklines. A Sparkline is simply a graph that lies in a single cell. And as you'll see, we can use Sparklines to summarize many sets of data in a really nice, beautiful way. So let's look at the file Sparklines temp. So here we have on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, how many customers, let's say, went into a bank branch in different cities in New York State. New York, Rochester, Utica, Syracuse, etc. And we could actually have thousands of cities here, thousands of bank branches like most banks have. So what we'd like to do is have a graph, let's say in this cell, I8 that summarizes New York, I9 that summarizes Rochester, etc. And it's really a snap to do this. Just select where you want the Sparklines to go. So you want this to be the range, I guess it's I8 through I14. You want to have a graph in a single cell to summarize those daily customer counts. So you go insert, and then basically you'll see Sparklines here. There are three types: column, line, and win-loss. We'll talk about line and column Sparklines in the current video and win-loss in the next one. So let's do a line Sparkline, and Excel simply needs to know where the data is. And the data is right here. That will create the Sparklines. So we select that data, we click OK, and we can see now these beautiful line charts that show us on Monday and Friday the banks were all busy because that's the high points. The lowest point was either Tuesday or Wednesday. Now, if you're inside one of the Sparklines, you can see the Design tab and you can edit these Sparklines. So I can go here, I can make the high point be a certain color and the low point be a certain color. I could change the colors, but I'm not going to worry about that. But that really shows you basically a nice summary of what's going on with these daily customer counts at the bank. Now, there's only one problem with this, which I think most people who use Sparklines don't understand. Let's suppose we make New York have almost no customers. Not that I have anything against New York, a great city. But let's suppose I say 1 through 5 people in New York. Now look at that New York Sparkline. It still looks like a lot of people are there, but even though no people showed up there. Why is that? Because the default in Excel is to basically scale each Sparkline against the numbers in that row. And so we want to change that. So we go Design tab, we go to Axis, and we say not automatic for each Sparkline, but we want the same scale for each Sparkline. So then I would go Axis right here, same for each Sparkline. Now look at that. You can see now New York has no customers because the Sparkline is very low for New York. This even becomes more apparent if you would switch this to, let's say, a column graph right there. So you can see New York has almost nobody there. This makes it clear Monday and Friday are busy, Tuesday and Wednesday are not. In the next video, we'll expose you to win-loss Sparklines.